Morning all. So you little lovelies over the weekend were asking me about these grey clips just here on the 1.5 petrol and how you get them out without breaking them. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And I haven't had one break yet, which is good. So pull this pipe out of its little clip just here, so that's free. Make sure you take that pipe off the inlet manifold because you don't want to snap that. You do not want to snap that off the manifold. And then lift that pipe out, push that pipe out so you ain't going to bust out. And then all I do is get my little snap-on pry bar. There you go, there's part number. And I just scooch it just down the side there, and then just so you can, just enough to flick it out, look, like that. And then you'll see it'll sit like that. And then all you got to do at this point is just get in there, pull it out, and then the same. We just move this pipe over, and that just pops out. And then, because you've undone all these pipes and nothing's getting twisted, out she comes, a little bit of a wiggle, it's quite tight. There you go. And then we don't trouble. It's done, nothing's broken, tab's still there, pipe's off. Hope this helped, guys. See you in the next one.